Hi, wonderful kids. Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Amaka here again. And today in our science class, we'll be talking about land and water forms. Do you know the Earth's surface is covered by land and water? We have special names for different kinds of land forms on the Earth's surface. Let's explore the Earth's land form. The two largest land forms are continents and oceans. Continents are any one of the largest land masses in the world. We have 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Europe. Oceans are large areas of salt water between the continents. All the oceans are connected to each other. They are divided into 5 oceans, and they are Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Let's look at the land forms and water bodies that cover the planet. Mountains. Can you say mountains? Mountains have steep sides, high peaks that stand out from the land around them. Can you see the peak of the mountain? That's the top. Good. Hills. Can you say hills? Hills are smaller, less steep lands. And they are similar to the mountains, but they are smaller. Valley. Can you say valley? Valley is the low area between mountains. Can you see this area between the two mountains? That's the valley. Cave. Can you say cave? Cave is a natural hole or gap formed on the ground in the hills and mountains. Can you see it looks like a hole? It is under the rocks or the mountains. Island. Can you say island? Island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Islands can be big or small. Can you see water all around this island? Peninsula. Can you say peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land that has water on 3 sides but is connected on the 4th to the mainland. Examples are Italy and Florida. They are both peninsulas. Isthmus. Can you say isthmus? Isthmus is a narrow strip of land with water on both sides connecting 2 longer pieces of land. An example of isthmus is Panama, connecting North America and South America. Can you see the yellow part? That's the isthmus. Plain land. Can you say plain land? Plain land is a large area of flat land with no hills and no mountains in them. This type of land is good for farming and for building houses. Plateau. Can you say plateau? Plateau is a large area of raised land that are flat on the top. Plateaus may stand all by themselves on flat land or sometimes close to other plateaus. Can you see these 2 plateaus are standing together? Good. Now let's look at the water bodies. The first is river. Can you say river? Rivers are usually fed by rain. The water in the river is called fresh water because it is not salty. They begin in high ground and move to lower ground till they flow into the ocean. Stream. Can you say stream? Stream is a smaller body of water that flows right into the river. Lake. Can you say lake? Lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. Some lakes are filled by rainfall. They are also filled with fresh water. Pond. Can you say pond? Pond is a small body of water surrounded by land. Most ponds are filled by rain. Did you notice the pond is similar to the lake, but the difference is that the pond is small and the lake is big? Spring. Can you say spring? Spring is a body of water that emerges from the ground or rocks. Can you see where the water is flowing out from? And it's usually very clean. Waterfall. Can you say waterfall? Waterfall is a body of water flowing over the edge of a cliff. Can you see how high where the water is coming down from is? Good, that's the cliff. Beach. Can you say beach? Beach is the shore of a body of water, especially with sandy soil and pebbles. Can you see where the water stopped? And then there is sand all over. That is the beach. And on the sand, that's where people can stay and watch the water flowing outwards. Now let's see if you have learned anything from all that we have talked about right now. Can you tell me 2 landforms you know? Good! Island, mountain, plateau, and valley are all landforms. Can you tell me 2 waterforms you know? Good! Waterfall, river, lake, and spring are all waterforms. Thank you so much for joining our class today. See you in the next class. Stay safe. Bye.